Hey guys, today is a Thursday, the 14th of November. Let's go over business news. It's about 10:20 a.m. Pacific time. So let's take a look at the markets really quick. S&P is down about a quarter percentage. NASDAQ is down 0.22%. The VIX is slow as well, so uh, not a big drop. This probably profit taking from the big rally we've had since Trump got elected. So, what's the biggest news item here? So, wholesale prices rose zero point 0.2 in October, so in line with expectations. So, nothing to worry about for inflation here. Let's look at the latest news here. Anything that's pretty important. Ah, what a Trump presidency could mean for digital assets. So Trump is crypto, pro crypto. So Bitcoin could run. It's run up significantly already. Again, Bitcoin is looking to act like digital gold. Again, Bitcoin is very volatile, so invest with caution there. So I think Trump administration will definitely try to loosen uh, the regulatory issues around crypto and Bitcoin. So definitely a good thing for anybody holding Bitcoin. Let's see what else is going on. That's important. So this is pretty big news. So Amazon has just launched a competitor to him and hers. Amazon Stop. So basically stuff like hair loss treatments, ED, etc. So again, it's sort of like him and hers, where you go on the internet and you can get prescribed certain types of medicine. So this is definitely a plus for Amazon. They're getting into that profitable marketplace there. So Amazon's definitely trying to get into their, the healthcare initiative. They also started One Medical, and that is a service that lets you schedule video visits for $49 or messaging for $29. So maybe cheaper than paying your copay at the doctor's office. Okay, let's see. So U.S. crude oil prices edges lower. So $69, so cheaper gas, and also kind of indicates that maybe this is start of a recession. Lower use on oil definitely points to less production. Let's see that 10-year rate is down a bit to 4.41 percentage. Tesla's down as well. Nvidia's up a bit. So who are the top movers and bottom movers? So Tapestry looks like it moves 12.14%. Wynn Resorts up 9%. Disney is up close to 7% on news of increased subscriber revenue and projected growth in their theme parks. Who are the losers here? We see Leidos Holdings down 11%. Supermicro, Supermicro is a bit trouble. They're down close to 9%. They haven't filed their 10K. So something to watch out. Something is definitely wrong with their accounting practices. Let's check Yahoo Finance to see what's going on there. So, Tesla's in a bit of a slump, but it had a big trade up. So maybe a good time to buy some shares. Yep, Trump is looking to kill the EV tax credits. So if you're going to buy your EV, buy it before the end of the year. Mortgage rates are about the same yet. They're still a bit higher, even though the Fed has cut interest rates. Let's check some popular stocks here. Let's check the QQQ. So the triple Qs are down a bit, but still up in the last couple of weeks. So if we look at the last month, pretty good run. Let's look at Tesla. Again, let's look at the last month here. So Tesla's at 316 today, down about a little bit more than 4%. Let's look at Apple. Apple's about up about 1.51%. Let's look at Nvidia. Yeah, so Nvidia's up less than a percentage. Let's check Amazon. Amazon's down 213.20. It's down about a little less than half a percentage. Let's check Microsoft. Microsoft is up 0.37. Let's check the SPY really quick here. So S&P SPY is down about 0.33%. Let's check Bloomberg to see if there's anything interesting there. So interesting, U.S. money market funds surpassed $7 trillion for the first time. And investors continue to pile into funds even after the Fed cuts rates. So let's see, Barron's is. So the stock market dips a little bit after PPI data. So the S&P and Nasdaq are lower ahead of the remarks. So Fed's going to give us a speech today. So let's see what he says. So again, Trump has picked one of the Fox Business news anchors as the Treasury pick. Boeing announces job cuts, 17,000 job cuts to happen in January. So looks like Honda is under investigation for concerns of engine failure. So this is not good for Honda here. It says it primarily affects 2016 to 2020 Honda Pilot and Acura MDX, and 2018 through 2020 Honda Odyssey and Acura TLX. 2017 and through 2019 Honda Ridgeline is also included in this probe. So they say, hey, the rod bearings on these vehicles with the V6 engines has a possibility of failing. That will lead to complete engine failure and could result in an accident. So that might affect Honda stock. Starbucks. All you Starbucks fans, today is rolling out the Red Cup Day. So this is a reusable cup. with holiday theme. Spirit Airlines prepares for bankruptcy. So you want to make sure if you have any flights booked on Spirit, you might not be able to get home or get to where you're going. So just look out for that. And that's all the news for today at this time.